Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from this tutorial series, and in this video we are going to learn how we can make a click button animation in Figma. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, as I said, we have to make a button first. So for that I will go to frame and create a frame. Now for this purpose the width I will use is 400, the height as 100, and the border radius will be 100. So that will actually give a smooth look to our frame edges. It will look perfectly a half circle, as you can say. And now I have to select one color. So for now I will select a bright orange color. Okay. Now to just work with the click animation, we will create a small ellipse. Okay. So let's create the ellipse. We have to reduce its width and height, so I will use 70. Okay, and we will set it in the center of our frame. Good. Now I have to give a color to this ellipse, so again I will go here and I will pick up a color for this ellipse and I will give it a slight light color, and yeah, that's look pretty good. Okay, and now I have to write a text over it, so because it will be a button, right? So I have to write a text. So here I will write a text like submit. Let it be a submit button. Okay, and if you want to see, the font size is 40 and the letter spacing is 10%. Okay, so I will put it again in the center of our frame. Yes, this looks beautiful. So now here I will just hide the first circle, okay, or the ellipse you can say. I will hide it. Now I will create a duplicate of it, and in this duplicate frame what I will do, I will, you can say, unhide the ellipse, and again we will create another duplicate, that is the third one. In the third frame, first of all we need to do few things. First of all, go here and select the scale option. Once you select the scale option, target the ellipse. Once the ellipse is selected, as you can see, just drag it so that the whitish circle, which you can say, should cover the entire button. So once you are done with the 3 frames, you have to select all of this, go here and click on create component set. So now you have a component set ready. Now what we need to do, we have to go to this prototype and we have to here select the move one. Now we have to connect the first one with the second frame. So remember, this first animation will trigger when we will click on the button, right? So this will be on tap, smart animate. This will be ease in, and the duration you will be around 100. Okay. Now from the second to the third one, it will happen automatically. So it will happen after a delay of 1 millisecond. Smart animate, ease in, and 100 milliseconds. Okay. Now we have to again go back to the previous state. Now when we go back, it will happen automatically. So after a delay of 1 millisecond, now this time it will happen is out, and the duration we will use will be 300 milliseconds. So that's it for now. Now we have to see whether our animation is working fine. So for that we will create another frame. We will create iPhone 14 Pro. We have to change the color. So I will just select one color which is not so bright and a bit soothing to our eyes. So yeah, looks good. Now here we will go to this assets tab and we'll pull in our button component. So you can see this button looks a bit bigger with respect to our screen. So we will scale it down again. And once we scale down, we have to click on this button and put it in the center of our frame. That is the iPhone 14 Pro frame. Now let's see if our click animation is working fine. So let's emulate and check whether it performs as per our expectations. So as you can see in our screen, the button is visible absolutely fine. Now what we should do, we should check if the click animation is working fine. So yeah, as you can see, the click animation is working fine. So this is what we wanted to make. So if you like this video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe our channel, because we are going to bring up a lot more videos in the upcoming future. And if you have any doubts, suggestions or queries, feel absolutely free to post them in the comment section. We will reply each one of you. So that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.